Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to talk about a powerful tool that can help you read the market more effectively and spot bullish and bearish momentum with ease. And that is the bull and bear balance indicator. Okay, let me just add the indicator to the chart. It's a custom indicator, so you will need to download this indicator from an external site, and after which you have to add it to your indicators folder, after which you can then add it to your charts. All right, so this is the bull and bear balance indicator. Now, this indicator is essential for anyone looking to track the market's momentum and understand the ongoing battle between the bulls and the bears. If you are tired of the guesswork when it comes to trend direction, then this indicator will give you a clear visual on what is happening in the market. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use the bull and bear balance indicator to stay ahead of the market, market reversals and trade more confidently. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies that will help you improve your trading. Okay, let us get started. So what exactly is the bull and bear balance indicator? Essentially, it is a tool that helps you identify the bullish and bearish momentum in the market. Okay, it works by showing you the ongoing battle between buyers, which are the bulls, and sellers, which are the bears, right? So now we all know that the market does not stay in one trend for long. Okay, you could have a buy trend for a while, and then after that we usually have buy trends and sell trends. One trend does not last forever. You can see here we had a sell trend, and after that we now had a buy trend, and now we are having a phase of consolidation. Okay, so basically one trend does not last forever. All right, so it's constantly shifting and trends tend to reverse at some point. So this indicator helps you to spot that shift before it fully happens, giving you a heads up on what the market's next move might be. So now let me just walk you through how it works. The bull and bear balance indicator uses a histogram, as you can see right here on the chart. It uses a histogram to show momentum. So if the histogram bars are green and positioned above the zero level, right, it shows bullish momentum. It means that the bulls are in control. Like you can see what happened here. The bulls were in control and we had a significant buy trend. On the other hand, when the histogram bars turn red, right, when the histogram bars turn red and drop below the zero level, it shows bearish momentum, meaning that the market is moving down and the bears are taking over. Now we can see that here at this point, we actually had a consolidation for a while, and then we had a breakout to the downside. Now you can see that this sell signal came even before the breakout. Can you see? It came before the breakout, and then we can see that shortly afterwards, you know, when the trend was about to reverse again, the indicator gave us a signal by, the appearance of the green histogram bars. You can see that the green histogram bars started appearing, showing that this sell was already coming to an end, and then you can see we had a bullish trend begin. Okay, so this visual representation makes it incredibly easy to spot the trend without needing to manually analyze the market every time. You will know at a glance whether the bulls or bears are currently dominating, and that is key information for making trading decisions. Now, why is this indicator so powerful? The truth is, understanding momentum is key to successful trading. A lot of times, traders are caught off guard when the market reverses, and this can lead to missed opportunities or worse, losing trades. So the bull and bear balance indicator helps you avoid that by making the momentum clear and easy to follow. For example, if you're analyzing the market and you see that the histogram bars are green and above the zero level, that's a clear sign that the market is bullish. You can now align your trades in that direction, in the direction of the bullish trend. Okay, making sure that you are trading with the momentum. But what is even more useful is that when the bars turn red and fall below the zero level, this is the market telling you that the trend might be changing and a bearish phase could be on the way. So this allows you to prepare for a potential reversal, right? It helps you to prepare for a potential reversal. Adjusting your strategy accordingly before the shift fully takes place. Now, whether you are day trading, swing trading, or even taking longer term positions, the bull and bear balance indicator can add value to your analysis. When you see the histogram bars turning green and above the zero line, that's your cue to look for buying opportunities. The market is telling you that the bulls are in control and it's a good time to enter long positions. Conversely, when the histogram bars turn red, right? When the histogram bars turn red and fall below the zero level, below the midpoint, right? It's time to look for selling opportunities. The market is showing you that the bears are taking over and it might be time to consider short positions or sit out until the trend stabilizes, right? So the beauty of this indicator is how it simplifies momentum analysis. Instead of spending time trying to analyze candlestick patterns or waiting for other indicators to confirm the trend, the bull and bear balance indicator gives you an immediate visual cue, okay, allowing you to make quicker and more confident decisions. So if you are new to trading, this indicator is quite valuable. As a beginner, one of the hardest things to learn is how to spot trends early and how to react to them. So with the bull and bull and bear balance indicator, you don't need to spend hours trying to figure out if the market is trending up or down, because the indicator takes care of that for you, helping you focus on entering and exiting the market at the right time. For more experienced traders, this tool can be used to confirm other signals in your strategy. Let's say you are using a moving average crossover or maybe support and resistance levels. The bull and bear balance indicator can actually help you confirm whether the trend is truly bullish or bearish. All right, adding an extra layer of confidence to your trades. Okay, so to wrap things up, the bull and bear balance indicator is an essential indicator for any trader looking to understand market momentum and spot trends before they fully develop. Okay, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator gives you clear, actionable information on the state of the market, making it easier to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts on how to use the bull and bear balance indicator, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy trading.